Hello everyone, I'm Wizix and I'm delighted to see you again for a new tutorial on Maya. This time I'm going to introduce you to Maya's brand new Hypershade called LookDevX, which will allow us to easily do texturing and shading work on a complex asset, the HulkBuster. The whole purpose of this tutorial is to explain how to create a high quality asset and image. Of course there's the technical side, but above all, the whole process to help you develop your image. There are iterations, self-evaluation tips, technical analyses, an understanding of the shader we're building, task breakdowns, and maintaining a simple and flexible workflow throughout the project. Even though this is an advanced tutorial, it can be followed by anyone, as long as you have the fundamental basics of Maya and Arnold. Because before diving into the HulkBuster asset, there's a whole theoretical phase where I take the time to explain the basics of each tool to you, with illustrated lessons and on a simplified working scene that will allow you to discover the LookDevX workflow and conduct our shading study. So, LookDevX is the brand new shader management space in Maya, which will notably provide us with a much more modern environment and new possibilities, such as simplified shader duplication, better previews in the viewport, and a much more organized and structured management of our graph. We will see how to create a complex paint metal shader with all the different layers that make it up: the base, the coat, the dirt, the dust, the undermetal, and the scratches, using mixes, shaders, and masks. The second major part of this tutorial will be dedicated to texturing, this time using Substance Painter. How to manage a complex asset, the DUV layout, the UDIM workflow, and the creation of smart materials so that you can then apply them to the entire HulkBuster. Special attention will be paid to the visual quality of these textures and above all, once again, to the perfectly calibrated workflow, the rendering from Substance Painter to Maya, which is always a sensitive and delicate point. So, note that absolutely all the files needed to complete this tutorial are made available to you. Starting with the complete HulkBuster model, all the source textures you'll need, the HDRIs for lighting, the references, as well as the final scene. As a bonus, the videos of the HulkBuster's modeling and UV unwrapping will also be included. Hoping to see you right away to share this workflow with you.